In this video, I will show you how to begin trading forex the right way.
Many people start trading the wrong way by joining signal groups or even jumping right in without any trading knowledge.
This will only lead to one thing: blown accounts. You see, if you were to ride a bicycle for the first time, it's the simple foundational elements like balance, steering, pedaling, and braking that will stop you from crashing, or at least delay it. But with time and practice, you will gain confidence and perfect your riding skills. This is how it is with forex trading. And the first place to begin your journey to profitability is baby pips. On your phone, tap the trade lines in the top right corner. Scroll down to the Learn Forex section and tap How to Trade Forex. This will take you to the School of Pipsology page where you can learn and track your progress. They've even got different categories of learning from preschool all the way to graduation. Contrast to this approach is to find a mentor. Although doing this can speed up your trading journey, you will still need to get a grasp of common terminologies used in trading like lot size, spreads, commissions, including candlesticks and chart patterns. A mentor will do a good job when it comes to using a proven system and strategy, which gives you a trading edge at succeeding in the market. All you need to do is to follow through. In doing so, you will put yourself through a series of practices and backtests, which is a form of enhanced learning. You then open a demo account to put the knowledge you've learned to good use, where you won't be risking any real cash or making money either. Just purely simulated trading. And when you take trades, which are still subject to spreads and slippages by broker, you get to understand these terms better and how they play out in real time. Bottom line, you will still need to know common forex terminologies and a bunch of other things that form the foundation of a trader's tools. Just like the elements of riding a bicycle we mentioned earlier. Start with the basics. Start the right way. And baby pips will teach you just that.